Hello, Devin. Thank you for sending me work. I really like it. So this is problem 13 of page 151. And your work is very close. Letter A is very close. Letter B needs some more work. C and D also need some more work. So let me take you through that. A bookstore manager marks down the price of older hardcover books, which originally sell for $B by 46%. So when you're doing this, there are two steps. Step one is convert the percent to a decimal. And that is done by dividing by 100. So you've done that correctly because 46% converts to a decimal as 0.46. Okay, don't forget step 2 though. Step 2 is multiply decimal by original number. In the case of problem 13 letter A, we don't know the price. We do know that the book is selling for B, so your response would be totally correct if you had a B right here next to your 0.46. So 0.46 times B will give you the markdown for that decimal. Okay, now let's write an expression for the sale price of the book. You have done the same work here, but it's a little bit different, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so I need to clear off this space so I have some room to work, but let's remember those two steps. Actually, I'll move them up here. So we'll keep those steps so they can help us remember. Nope, that's not what I wanted to move, sorry. No, I didn't really want to move the whole thing. Sorry, I'm getting confused here. So, step 1, convert percent to decimal. Step 2, multiply decimal by original number. So let's remember that as we write an expression for the sale price of the hardcover book. This rectangle represents 100% of the book, of the original price of the book. They're taking off 46%. So the customer is actually paying 54%. So if you remember the steps here, step 1 is to go from percent to decimal. Step 2 is to multiply by original number. So let's look at what's being taken away. This 46% is being taken away. So you could do 100% minus 46% equals 54%. And then convert all of these percents to decimals. 100% as a decimal is 1. 46% is 0.46. 54% is 0.54. So these are the decimals that we're working with, but we need to remember to work step 2, multiply by the original amount. That's a B because it's multiplied by the original book. So 1B minus 0.46 times B equals 0.54B. This right here is your response, should be your response for 13B. 1 times B minus 0.46 times B, or 0.54 times B. You got a good start right here, but that's not quite this. It's a good start, but it's not quite what we're looking for. What is the sale price of a hardcover book for which the original retail price was $29? You wrote $29, but we need to take some money off. So let's take some money off. We're going to find the sale price of the book by using this decimal here. Because this decimal here shows you that you're only paying the customer is paying for 54% of the original price. So let me clear off some space here. Okay, we've already done step 1. We've already converted our percent to a decimal by dividing by 100, and now we're going to multiply our decimal by our original price. So 29 is our original number. That's how much the book was, but you're only paying 54% of that 29. So multiply that out. 4 times 9, 36. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 3 is 11. Bring down a 0. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 14. 6. With 2 decimal places. So $15.66 is how much the book is going to cost after you take 46% away. And then if you buy the book in Part C, how much do you save by paying the sale price? So it was $29, but we're taking $15.66 away. So let's borrow there, and we get a 10, and a 9, and a 10. It's going to be 4, 3, 3, 1. So you save $13.34. Okay, I hope it made sense. If not, please email me or call me and we can work through it again. Thanks.